New to Polkadot and not sure how to set up your wallet? In this video, I'll show you how to create a Polkadot wallet in just a few minutes. To use the Polkadot ecosystem, you need a wallet to store tokens, interact with apps, and manage your assets securely. Go to the official Polkagate extension website using the link in the description. Always make sure you're using the official site to avoid scams. Download the Polkagate extension for your supported browser. Click the Add button to install the extension in your browser. Open the extension and click Create New Account to begin setting up your wallet. Copy your recovery phrase and store it securely offline. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Never share it with anyone. Choose an account name, create a strong password, confirm it, and click Create New Account to finish setup. Your Polkadot wallet is now ready to use. You can now send, receive, and manage your tokens. If you plan to send tokens to multiple wallets, for example, for distributions or rewards, doing it manually can take time. Tools like the Mycryptoview AI Multisender allow you to batch transactions and send tokens more efficiently across supported networks. That's how you set up a Polkadot wallet in minutes. If this video helped, subscribe for more crypto tutorials and guides.